Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Nykaa haul. I've never done a Nykaa haul in the past, but I called for a bunch of stuff from Nykaa and I posted this picture on my Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted to see a Nykaa haul, and I think 95% of you guys said yes. So of course I had to do it. I am going to be sharing with you guys a bunch of makeup products. I really hope all of these makeup recommendations come handy to you guys, especially during the festive season and the shadi season which is coming up. All the products are going to be linked down below. So let's just get started with today's video. I'm going to start with my favorite makeup product, which is eyelashes. So I have two eyelashes from the new Nykaa's eyelash collection. The first one is called Melodrama, which looks very promising. It's so pretty. Really excited to wear these. The second one is called the OG, which I'm not so impressed by. They look very fake. I mean, I know they're fake eyelashes, but they need to look a little bit more natural. So, I mean, we'll have to try them on. The third pair of lashes that I got are from Kingdom of Lashes, and this is in the style Naturale. Looks alright to me. Not that great, it just looks fake again. But again, we have to try eyelashes on to tell if it's gonna look good on your face. Talking about eyelashes, I also picked up two eyelash glues. Both of them are by Miss Claire. The other one's on my dressing table. I can see it. I used it today. So I run out of these like crazy. So it was nice to stock these up. By the way, I use these in the dark tone. Super affordable. Really good quality. They make my lashes stay on for the entire day basically. So definitely check this out. I have three mascaras. Let's go one by one. The first one is Wet n Wild. And this is called the Lash Renegade mascara. I hope I'm saying that right. Look at the bottle. It looks, the tube, sorry. It looks so cool. Even the wand for that matter is pretty cool. I used this the other day. I used it today as well, just to give it like a fair shot and give you guys kind of like a review. It's a really nice mascara, lengthens your lashes, even kind of adds a lot of volume, doesn't clump at all. But I will say that it takes forever for it to dry. Like, I applied a coat or two and then I went to touch my lashes after 10 minutes and it was still wet. So that's a little weird, but it's a nice mascara, I will say. The second one is by Maybelline and it's called the Total Temptation Mascara. For whatever reason, I picked it up in waterproof. I don't know why. I hate waterproof mascaras, but I will talk about the formula. It's a beautiful formula. It's a pain to get rid of. But if you're planning on going to a tropical vacation or a pool party or something on those lines where water is involved, you use this, and when this mascara comes in contact with water, your lashes look stunning. I don't know if I'm making sense, but if you want a waterproof mascara, check this one out. And the last mascara that I have is again by Maybelline and it's their Colossal Mascara. This was actually the first mascara that I ever used, and this made me fall in love with mascaras. So I thought, why not try it out again, because it's been a few years, so the formulation might have changed. So why not try it out? By the way, the reason why I picked up so many mascaras was because I am out of all of my mascaras, and the one that I want, the Lakme's Kareena Kapoor mascara, is always sold out. So I was like, it's time to try some new mascaras out. I have a few lip products. Actually, all three of them are by Nykaa, yes. The first one is this recently launched Wonderpuff lip cushion. That's what it's called, right? So basically it comes with a button, really cool packaging. You press on the button and then on the sponge the product appears. It's a beautiful shade. It's called Buttercup. Can't wait to try this on. The second one again is by Nykaa. Just look at the packaging. It's the Masaba collaboration. Smells beautiful like every other lipstick. Beautiful shade. This is called Cool Guy. It's more so like mauve nude. It's not like the typical nude that I go for, but of course it's still from the nude family, so of course I need to still wear it to give my thoughts on it. The third product is the lip liner. It's called Birthday Suit, I believe. Looks like a very pretty shade, very pinky and super nude. We have one more Nykaa product. I didn't even realize the number of Nykaa products that I picked up, but they have so many launches, so I'm always trying to try everything out. So this is a eyeliner. If you guys know me, I don't really buy any other eyeliner other than the Lakme's Insta liner, but I picked this one up and I swatched it on the back of my hand when I got it, and I tried to rub it off after it completely dried and it would not budge. So that's a good sign. Of course, need to try it on my eyes. The second product, like a random one, is a highlighter, and this is the Maybelline's Master Chrome in the shade 100 Molten Golden. I know I'm a little bit late to this. Everyone is obsessed with this. Aditi loves it, even Malvika loves it. So I was like, let's just try it, and I did. I'm actually wearing it on my face right now. I will say it is pretty, and especially for like the Diwali festive season, I think it's very appropriate because of the gold. The gold is not like overpoweringly gold. I think it'll look really nice on like Indian skin tone. Now the last 8 products that we have are all foundations and like face based products. So let's start with a few of my basic favorites. The first one is Maybelline's Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the shade 320 Golden, no, 320 Honey. I usually pick up 312 Golden, but that was out of stock, so I thought why not pick like the darker one out, and then I'll mix some like lighter shade and make my own shade. The second one that I picked up was the Fit Me foundation in the shade 320. So usually I go through a bunch of different shades. So as you can see, I've picked up another one, 330 Toffee. I don't really have like a fixed shade. I have to always like mix 2 to 3 shades to get my perfect shade, which is very sad. Please Maybelline, come out with like more shades so that I don't have to like keep mixing and matching like my skin tone. I'm sure this is like a struggle for all of us like girls who are on the darker side. Anyway, coming back to foundations. This foundation I have never tried before. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is in the shade Desert Beige. Heard a lot of good things about this foundation, so I thought why not try it out. Also, by the way, I know it looks crazy to have so many foundations, but I run out of foundations very quickly because I'm always filming, and foundation to banta hi hai. Like I wear a lot of foundations, so need to have foundation backups. We have 2 more Maybelline products. I'm a fan of Maybelline, if you can't already tell. So they launched these powder foundations. I'm sure these were already available in the foreign world, but India mein abhi aaye. So I picked one up for my mom, which was in the shade 230, and she liked it. So I picked one up for myself as well in the shade 310. But I feel like 310 is way lighter than 230. I'm sorry to blind you, but it's lighter, which is so weird. So again, Maybelline and all the other brands, please come out with more shades. And the last product, actually no, this is the second last product. It's a concealer. So I just stocked up on my favorite concealer, which is the LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Now I wear this for an everyday basis, not for filming. It's too light, like medium-ish coverage hai for filming. So yeah, everyday ke liye my favorite thing. And the last product that we have are these mini cushions by Pack blenders. I actually called for bigger ones, like the original size. Those are my favorite beauty blenders. But mere se hi kuch screw up ho gaya rahega, and then I ended up getting these minis, which are so cute. Never tried them before, so of course I'll try them out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the products are going to be linked down below. I really hope this video was helpful in any way. All the products, I think 50% of them are the products that I've tried in the past, and 50% were like new products. Of course, I'll keep you updated on the newer products and what I feel about them. But as always, don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!